everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Bindu Vaishnavi. You are watching CSB's Weekend Arts. So, today is Valentine's Day. I really want to wish you a happy Valentine's Day. So, this Valentine's Day is not only for the couples, it also for the single. You just need to fall in love with yourself to love anyone in your life. So, first of all, fall in love with yourself, celebrate yourself and give yourself whatever you like, okay? And not only that, today it's a day where we lost most of our soldiers through Pulwama attack. Remembering them and praying their family lots of positivity and happiness and lots of strength. Let's get started with this week. So, since it's a Valentine week, so I want to make you fall in love with your life first of all. So that's why I'm going to suggest few feel good not movies, feel good books which will help you fall in love with the life process. Okay, so the first book I want to suggest is of course Tuesdays with Morrie. It tells about the relationship between a teacher and a student, and the way the Morrie lived his life is inspirational to every single person out there. And there are many students of Morrie even after he passed away, thanks to the author who recorded all his professors saying and his lectures in this book, and he gifted to every single person like you and me. His life lessons are nothing but a pure gold. So I really want to make sure you read this because it's just a craft of art. Okay, so the next one I really want to suggest you is 3000 Stitches by Sudha Murty. So whenever I see Sudha Murty ji, she really inspires me because woman is not only meant for household work and she is not only meant for doing professional work. The way she balances both of them equally, how she handles the family and also how she stands inspirational to the society is what we need to read. We need to learn from her. Okay, we need to manage the house as well as we need to look out for ourselves what we love. Not all sacrifices and not all you need to just focus on your professional life. You need to balance both of them. This book will take you to every core memory of Sudha Murty ji, especially the title, how the title forms in this book. The first lesson, first chapter is really heart touching. I really want to read this. If you are a Sudha Murty ji fan, you have to read this book. It's really cool. And the third one, the last one is The Art of Being Alone by Renuka ji. She, most of us think like being alone or being left out is some sort of curse. So after reading this book, you'll be really happy. Like if someone is going, okay, finally I can be with myself. So yeah, it's really good. At the moment when I was feeling it that way, like, oh, I'm just left out, I'm the only one here and this and that. When I read this book, it really brought a lot of strength in me. I started building my loneliness into solitude. I learned many things. I stopped wasting my time regretting like I did this and that. I started using every single minute to improve myself. I don't care about the results, I just fall in love with the process. So this book brought that change in me, and I hope these books will change you as well into a better person. So that was all about today's Valentine's Day special. Fall in love with yourself before you fall in love with anyone. Then you could able to love everyone equally because you already know the meaning of love. So yeah, that was all about today. This is Bindu Vaishnavi. See you in the next video. Until then, fill your hearts with hearts.